hello, it's Casey from Blacksmith Garage, and today we have an American. Shut up! Jesus, sorry about that. But today we have American. Don't even get me started. So today we have American Thimble line flag, and we're gonna be using it as a headliner. But the problem is we don't have a headliner, and people like stick it to the headliner. But
we're gonna figure it out and do a little install.
Yeah, we're gonna figure something out. We're just gonna stuff it in the trim or something. I don't know, get some duct tape or just something. I don't know what we're doing, but we're just gonna try to make this as the headliner. That's all we know. And we're not gonna know how we're gonna get there, but something's gonna happen along the way.
All right, so now that we got the flag in here, Ben, explain to him what you're doing.
So what I'm doing is we're taking everything off the ceiling, which there wasn't much to begin with. It's just a visor and light. And then I'm taking the screws out of the plastic trim and just like popping it down and stuffing the flag in behind it. And hopefully from there I'll screw it in. And then we'll pull it tight to the back. And then put the light and the visor back up. And hopefully between those it'll pull it tight enough to the ceiling where, I mean, you'll have a slight angle, but it shouldn't be swinging too low. Hopefully it'll turn out pretty good. And that way, versus using an adhesive or whatever, since, I mean, because we could just glue it to the ceiling, but one, it would look dumb because you'd have the lines of the ceiling. But two, that way, if he ever wants to put cab lights in, because he doesn't have cab lights at the moment, it'll be easier on him to do. So.
All right, so a little bit of an update. We got the dome light out, and we've got the front tucked in with the visors out. So it's coming in pretty good. This is gonna be sweet. We were able to get it tucked in all the way around the cab. Now we're gonna start putting stuff back in and trying to tighten it up and get out the sag. All right, guys, we're starting to put the visor back in, and we still have wrinkles, but it's starting to get way better. All right, guys, so we got the headliner in. It does have a few major wrinkles, but if we knew then what we knew now about how to tuck it in, we probably could have done a little bit better. But we were able to do it without a headliner to start with, just bare steel. We ended up taking care of this, tucking it back in there, so that turned out pretty good. We got our light in, looks all right, and our visors help with the wrinkles a little bit. But overall, this thing looks amazing.
So, this didn't really turn out as we expected, but it's not half bad, it's not half great, but it don't look that bad. So, I hope this was helpful for you guys. I know it's kind of a struggle if you don't have a headliner, like right here, kind of sucked, but it turned out pretty good. Could have been better, but
yeah, it looks way better than nothing.
Nothing. Kind of looked a little crappy. Gives the truck some character, I guess you guys could say. But yeah.
All right, guess we'll end her there. I hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure to leave a like, maybe subscribe.